We make money using videos. We use videos to get traffic, leads, and sales. And today, my student, Nathan, made $500 commission from one sale. It's a high-ticket commission, and tons of our other students are making $1,000, $500, $300, $1,500 commissions. Most of these people are complete beginners. What do? They make videos. Using videos, they get traffic from social media that turn into leads and sales. Now, most of my followers, subscribers, and even students hate making videos, especially showing face on the camera. I understand that. And that's why we recommend using softwares. Yes, you can do that. But so far, these softwares are not easy, the quality was not good, and they are cheap, not cheap. They're not cheap, they are expensive. Especially AI softwares are super expensive. But this changes today. So I am going to review this software that's launching today. Its name is Flixora. I'm going to use it live, and you know how to use it, how it works, whether it's for you or not. I am excited about it because it is working for me and it will work for you. It does its job and the price is super cheap. And if you decide to purchase from me, from my link, the link is somewhere near this video. Should be below this video. If you're watching from YouTube, it should be in the description. That link will take you to my website and you will see tons of bonus stacks. If you purchase from me with my link, then you will get all those bonuses automatically delivered to you via the purchase receipt. And if you're watching from my website, then of course the buy button or the link, click that link, that will be my link. You'll see the bonus details, and yes, it will take you to this page. Now go and have a look at this page, give it a quick read, and once you are satisfied, you're happy that this is for you, the price is good, click any of these buttons, the buy buttons, and purchase the software. Once you go to the software, this is how it looks like. Super simple. You can make all these types of videos: product to video, idea to video, script to video, blog to video, visuals to video, templates to video. Start from scratch. Now I have already used it. I'm excited. That's why I'm making this video again. Now let's do it. Product to video. Product to videos, I mean product related videos always attract buyers, because somebody look for a product video because they're interested in the product, so they're ready to buy. Whether from you or from someone else, they are ready to buy, so they are buyer viewers. Now this software allows 3 types of links: Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, which is good enough in my opinion. Now I came to Amazon and I want to have a look at a nice product that I want to promote. I personally like expensive products, so shop gaming, let's go. I think this chair is good one. Okay, so we're going to copy the URL and put this right here, and then I'll click apply URL, and the application fetched the images. Amazing. That's not all, it has the product details as well, so the whole thing was great. So I'm going to select AI voiceover and just leave the images because we are testing, right? You can add more images if you want just by clicking this plus button. Click here and it will allow you to add more images if you want. Now I'm not going to add images, I'm just going to show you quickly how to work with it. So this is going to be 9:16 portrait type of videos. Good. Click generate. And okay, the video is ready. Just took a couple of seconds. Now let's play the video and see how it goes.
Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? Upgrade to the contrast gaming.
Now did you see the auto zoom effects? The video is not static. It has an effect. It's not boring.
Chair GT800A. Experience ultimate comfort and support with its adjustable armrests and retractable footrest, made with high-quality PU leather.
By the way, this was written by AI. You see this scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3. You can change these texts and you can change the scenes.
Gaming chair is built to last and can support up to 250 lbs.
By the way, you can change the animations as well. Look at this. For every place, you can choose auto zoom or none. If you don't want an animation, you can choose none.
Don't settle for an average gaming chair when you can have the best from GTPLAYER gaming chair. Level up your setup and invest in your comfort today.
I love it. It's amazing. It takes a couple of seconds to make a product video. Did you like it so far? You want to test it out? Link is below this video. And if you buy from my link, you'll get all the bonuses, so you know about that. Once you are happy with the video, done with the editing, just click export and it will start exporting. I'm not clicking export because it will keep my account busy for a few seconds that I don't want. I want to show you some other type of videos by testing them. Go to create again, and now I'll choose idea to video. Now I will go to ChatGPT, okay, and I will ask, I already asked once, but I'm gonna copy the same prompt again, and I'm making a 30-second video with a crazy idea. I'm gonna write, I want a 30-second video with an engaging and emotional story. Number of words should be maximum 75. I write an interesting, engaging, and emotional, motivational story from the history. History is great. It should be 75 words because I know 1 minute equals 150 words generally. So half a minute, 30 seconds equals 75 words approximately. So I'm going to click here for the story. AI is thinking and it's writing. Super awesome. Now it's done. Now I'm going to copy this whole thing and I'll go here, paste it here. Done. Mandela's. Okay, I'm going to click generate and see what kind of video we get. Last time we tried, it was just a couple of seconds, and I'm expecting the same thing will happen now. And see, I'm trying this live. I'm not pausing the video. I'm not fast forwarding. I'm not even going out and coming back. It's working in front of you. It's just taking a couple of seconds. I think it's already 5 seconds or more than 5 seconds. It's taking more. That's not good, bro. Okay, the video is ready. It took actually more than 15 seconds, so probably 30 seconds, but I think it's okay, right? What do you think? Let's see what kind of result we got. Let's check.
In the face of adversity, Nelson Mandela never wavered. 27 years in prison, yet his spirit remained unbroken. Leading South Africa against apartheid, he showed courage and forgiveness. Mandela's unwavering determination inspires us to never give up. Let us stand up for justice, just like Mandela did. Join the fight for equality and make a difference today.
I think there's enough to understand how it works. Super simple, super easy. If you want to change something, change it here. That's it. You can change the text, you can change the image, the animation, whether you want animation or not, the text will be automatically there. It's amazing. It's great, especially for the price. If you're curious about the APIs that you can use, whether you can use the different image or different voiceover, etc., then you go to the API settings. And then if you want to use the built-in API, then you saw the results what you're about to get. But if you want to use your own API, super easy, just click add your own API. You can use OpenAI API, you'll get results from OpenAI from your account. And Diffusion API, this is for images, AI images. You can make videos from templates. They have a lot of templates. Just click on this templates to video and it will take you to this page. You can use any of these templates to make your videos. I personally don't do that, but if you think it can be a good start. There is an interesting video maker here. It's called blog to video. If you click, it will take you to this page where you can put a blog URL. So let's say this is a blog and you copy the URL, paste it here, and I'm really expecting something, I don't know. Let's try. Click generate and see what it gives you. Okay, I think this is good, not bad at all. Come on, I just copied and pasted a blog URL and it's giving me a video. Not bad.
Are you ready to take your social media marketing to the next level? With Hootsuite, you can easily plan your posts, manage incoming messages, and stay ahead of market trends.
Amazing, I love it. Okay, I must tell you the flaw of the software. Now, this type of software is super cheap and you cannot get this kind of software anywhere else at this price. The price may be $14, $17, something like that. Usually, the prices are under $20 on the launch. Now, the flaw I see here is that the video I put to render before shooting this video is still rendering. So it might take a little time to render your videos. That's not a problem because this rendering is happening in the server level. It's not happening through your computer. So once you put into render, make video, save video, something like that, you make video. From that point, it's the job of the application, not you. If you close the browser, doesn't matter. It will continue rendering your video, and once it is done, it will be available here. You can click to download and use it. That makes sense? So it's not lightning fast like those high paid applications, monthly recurring fees. It does its job and it might take a little time to render. That is it. I didn't find any other flaw. It just works as I just showed you. By the way, I don't know if you noticed the headline. First to market brand new AI-powered app creates viral YouTube thumbnails, titles, and videos. So when I said YouTube thumbnails, if you go to YouTube, then you know that these thumbnails are important to grab attention and get the click. I'll tell you what that means. When you are on YouTube, you go scroll among billions of videos, then you decide based on the thumbnail. You decide based on the thumbnail which one you want to watch, right? So the thumbnail is important. And thumbnail maker softwares are not free and not easy, not cheap, but they have provided a thumbnail maker. So let me show you. It's here. Click the thumbnail generator, and now you can upload image if you want, or you can use the template library, or use blank canvas, or you can upload a template. Let's use a template library because these are nice. So let's use this one, or maybe this one, maybe this one. Okay, let's use this one. Now you can resize it and you can change it. You can use it. Let's go and use this. This is YouTube video. Perfect. You want to change this image? You can. You want to change this text? You can. You can change this color, format, italic, bold, a regular, underline, color change. You can do everything you want and make your thumbnail. Then download it. When you upload your videos on YouTube, upload the thumbnail as well. Amazing? As you know where my bonuses are. If you choose to purchase using my link, and I truly believe I have done my job to show you how it works, what's inside, and what's not. I did not tell you what's not here. I didn't show you any gimmick. I showed you the reality. So this is an amazing software. It works as it promises, and it delivers. And I think this is the cheapest one, the most available one, most affordable one. And you can get it from the link below this video in the description, or somewhere, some button below this video on my website. And if you choose to purchase from my link, from my button, then you will get all the bonuses that I offered as well. They will be delivered automatically with the Warrior Plus purchase receipt. And I will see you in the next video.